In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up manual surcharges for a guardian to select when making bookings in the parent portal. To enable this setting, you need to click on your service menu and under configuration, click on settings. You're then going to click on the parent portal tab and find the setting called parents can select manual surcharges when making bookings. Tick this setting for it to become enabled. This setting will only apply to manual surcharges. This means that it is not applicable for any surcharges that are selected as auto applied. Moving over into the parent portal and clicking on the bookings menu. When a guardian selects a day or multiple days for that matter, and this is for both casual and recurring bookings, the guardian will select the room, click next, and then they will see optional surcharges appear. They do not have to select any surcharges as this is an optional choice, but they may want to tick certain surcharges for particular days on those specific rooms. So for example, here I'm going to select the cooking and decorating for my child's after school care, and for this child I'm going to select the snake show. So on the right hand side of the booking summary, it identifies the surcharges and what that surcharge is for. I'm going to click next. It will then list in the booking total the booking summary, including the surcharges in the total for each room and for each day for each child. Once the guardian is happy, they can view the terms and conditions and tick to agree and confirm booking. Once confirmed, on the left-hand side, they will see a list of those bookings, including the surcharges for what they have selected. The guardian can choose multiple surcharges for each booking. And as previously mentioned, surcharges is an optional choice for the guardians to select. For any further information on applying surcharges in the parent portal, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.